Right, got an idea for the fly screens for the side windows. What I've got is this mesh, which I bought on Amazon. Now, on some of my previous vehicles, you could put it on with a magnet outside, but there's no metal on this one on the outside. So, what I've come up with, yeah, it doesn't really matter which way I do that, is these. Look, they're extending poles, look. So, what I do is, obviously I'm doing this at an awkward angle so that you can see what I'm doing. Let's pop that one in there. That goes in there. And they go in like that, which holds the fly screen in place. It's not, you know, the prettiest thing, I'll admit that, but it works, and you can still use the blinds and that. You can also do it with the window half open, so it just stops the bugs getting in. It only takes a few seconds. I keep them in the back of the pocket there. You could keep them in the door, but I think that's a good solution because none of this is metal. See, normally you could put some little magnets around it if you've done a van conversion yourself, or on the outside even, but this one you can't because there's no metal, not even on the outside, unless you fold it over the top of the door. So that's my solution to my little keeping the bugs out problem. So all you need, a couple of these little telescopic things, cheap as chips on Amazon, bit of mesh. I think the mesh was a couple of quid, and there's enough there to do the windows on both sides. You could of course use this on any sort of fly screen anywhere in the van, you know, even if you wanted a whole door one, you could do it. You obviously need bigger mesh and bigger poles. In fact, you could probably do it on the door with a big bit of mesh and your hiking poles. But it's not such an issue with the door because you have got the metal, so you can put magnets round. But anyway, that's my solution to filling in a little opening window with some fly screen.